Welcome to the short course on bioenergetics. I'm Dr. J. Sharada, Assistant Professor from Department of Microbiology, Bhavan's Vivekananda College, is presenting this course. The details of this course, we have introduction to the concept of free energy and free energy changes, understand the principles of thermodynamics, then learn the pathways, how the energy will flow inside a living cell. That is basically the oxidation or respiration pathways. Then we will also learn how ATP, that is the energy currency of the cell, is synthesized and in its significance in cellular processes. Then we also learn oxidative phosphorylation. It is also known as bioenergy conservation. At the end, we'll also understand the significance of bioenergetics. The objectives of this course, it gives basic concepts in the relation between free energy, enthalpy and entropy in a biochemical reaction. It helps or makes the students to carry out or calculate the free energy change of a biochemical reaction and predict the spontaneity and direction of the reaction. Awareness on the concept of coupled reactions and the significance inside a living cell. Then give some insights to the molecular mechanism of ATP synthesis inside the mitochondria. After doing this course, the student will be able to explain the relationship between the energy, enthalpy and entropy of a biochemical reaction. They can also analyze whether a given biochemical reaction occurs spontaneously and what would be the direction of that reaction. Then they can compare and analyze why two reactions get coupled inside a living cell. And they can also describe the process or the steps involved in ATP synthesis inside the mitochondria, which is very, very important, and also appreciate the importance of this process inside the cell. While doing this course, the students are asked to submit some assignments which will be of short answers. Sometimes they may also need to do an online quiz which is of MCQ mode, and they need to participate in group discussion forums for having an interactive learning. Then in order to have an advanced approach to this topic, they need to search and refer some journals, understand how bioenergetics is being used in current research. So thank you. Hope you will enjoy this course while doing it.